good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Y'all see the title of today's video. We are going to be making the G35 a little louder. Right now it's kind of too quiet for my liking, so I went ahead and purchased this thunder pipe. Those of y'all who don't know what this is basically going to replace this fat ass resonator right here. And another bad thing about this thing, it sits super low to the ground, so you guys could see the car is like sits like right here, and how much that steeps down. Yeah, it is a big issue right now, so hopefully when I install this it's gonna go away and I won't scrape as much. Sheesh, it's rowdy in the street. Anyways, I'm gonna insert that clip right here of how close it sits to the ground. Basically, I'd say about 2 inches of clearance, maybe 1.5 inches. And if you haven't already, go ahead, check out my previous video of the Motordyne exhaust without this. So if you kind of want to get an idea of how the car sounds with the resonator, go ahead, go check it out. Finally got it off. There you guys have it. The original one and what I'm gonna be throwing on. Y'all see how fat this is, and look at the bottom of it. I already scraped the shit up out of it just from a day or two of driving. That is crazy. Hopefully the same doesn't happen with this, but let's throw this on. Just wanted to show you guys the bottom of the car right now. There are the clamps, and it's just gonna plug right in there. So let's go. All right, y'all, thunder pipe is all installed. All right, here we go. First starting. I'm not ready. I'm talking about. Call a start, baby. Today we're about to go get some sound clips of the Motordyne exhaust with the thunder pipe installed. And I just want to give you guys kind of a little glimpse at how the car sounds like in the interior cabin. It's a little wet outside. Oh shit, I'm not used to swinging a sedan. That's just crazy. Yeah, we're hold up. Damn, this car is crazy. What we're about to do right now is get some interior clips of how the exhaust sounds like. That's 5th gear right there. So even after installing the thunder pipe, the car doesn't have too much drone at all. So we're gonna pop it in 6th. This is at about 2.5. Going 60. It's not bad at all. Another thing Infiniti does really good is isolating the noise that's outside. So it's another plus. But we're gonna hop out over here and get some clips before it gets too dark. Show you guys how this thing sounds like. There you guys have it. That is the Motordyne exhaust with the Thunder pipe installed. My brother said it is the loudest car I've ever owned, so I don't know, in the cabin you can't really tell, but I guess if he says it is, it probably is. But there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to give a huge shout out to all my supporters. We hit 4,000 subscribers. It just leaves me completely mind blown, and I can't express my gratitude enough. Thank you guys so much, all the day ones, all the new subscribers, anyone that's supporting the channel. It truly means a lot to me. I have a lot in store for 2022. We'll see where this channel goes, and I just can't thank you guys enough. 4,000 is literally insane. 1,000 alone is crazy, so imagine 4,000. Like, what the hell? But again, man, thank you guys so much. I won't stop saying this ever, because I'm just so grateful for this opportunity, and having the chance to enjoy all these different types of cars, and just being able to do what I love. I'm just so damn appreciative, and feels like I'm living a dream every single day. So huge shout out to you guys. Thank you guys a lot. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button on this video. Hit that subscribe if you guys are new. So after this video is up on Thursday, I will be dropping the last video for 2021. It will basically be a montage of all the good times and basically highlights of the year. So stick around for that. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you, man. Ground's a little wet over here.